Wait.
Hey. Come on.
Max, are you so happy she's home? Are you so excited?
Oh my God. Come on.
Oh my God. He's like, I didn't think you were coming back, Mommy.
You thought I left for good.
I've never seen him with so much pep.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Yes. You're so happy, huh?
So cute.
Yeah.
Max. I took a video of it. Hi, Max. Oh my